Trusted Travel Agency. Ayan. Ganyan tayo, Diyos ko. Magmahalan tayong lahat. Okay? Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my dear friend from MPQ Travel and Tours, Dagbo!
So, change outfit tayo ha, dahil sa sponsor tayo. Ang MPQ Travel and Tourism Dubai and MPQ Travel Tours Philippines. So, meron po kami dalawang branch dito po sa Dubai at meron din po tayo sa Philippines. So, tawagin natin ang staff ng MPQ Travel and Tourism Dubai, Mr. Larry. Ayan, nag-ikot po siya kaganina, si Mother Larry, para po magpaparaffle po kami, mamimigay po kami ng regalo. Pero syempre, again, ini-invite po natin yung mga guests natin dito na i-follow nyo po ang Facebook page and TikTok page po ng MPQ Travel and Tourism Dubai and MPQ Travel Tours Philippines. At kami po ay nag-offer ng mga visa, of course, ticket, yung mga mag-A to A exit po. And ang maganda dito, meron din po kaming nag-offer po kami ng mga visa papuntang Japan, Shenzhen visa, Korean visa, China visa, lahat ng visa, kaya-kaya natin gawin yan dito po sa MPQ Travel and Tourism Dubai. Kaya i-follow nyo po kami sa aming Facebook page at kung kailangan nyo po ng mga ticket, pwede nyo pong bayaran sa amin ng installment, 4 months to pay gamit po ang tabi. Okay? So i-follow nyo po yan ang MPQ Travel and Tourism Dubai and MPQ Travel Tours Philippines. So mamimigay po kami ng regalo ngayon. Kailangan ko lang po ng 4 na gwapong lalaki. Sino ba dito ang pwede namin makasama? 4 na gwapo. Bababa muna ako, Mother. Diyan ka muna, ha? Ipamimigay natin, nahanap ako ng 4 na gwapo. Okay. Kailangan ko po ng 4 na gwapong lalaki. Gusto ko po yung magpapasaya sa atin, ha? Ayan, si Kuya. Kuya, pwede po namin kayo maimbitahan saglit? Okay lang po ba? Katuwaan lang po. Para sa ating kalayaan 2024. Halika, Kuya. Mamaya ka na kumain. Akyat na po kayo sa taas. Okay? Ayan, dito. Sino pwede dito kasama? Guwapo. Ay, ito. Sabi ko guwapo, hindi ko sinabing alimasag. Bakla din siya. Ay, anyone want to join? It's okay for you to join. It's very easy. Come on. Join us here. No, it's very easy. Don't you worry. I need 2 more. 2 more handsome guys over there. Come here. Okay? Anyone want to join? How about here? Is it okay for you to join? It's only for fun. Come on. All right. Because this celebration is not only for all Filipinos. On June 9, you are all invited even you are not Filipino. Okay? So one more. Halika dito, Kuya. Sumali ka, Bili. Kasi gwapo yung mga kinuha ko. Kailangan ko ng panabla. Halika. Para may panabla. Okay. Please, join us here. All right. Welcome to our show. So, ibig sabihin, mag-i-English tayo ngayon, ha? Okay, so I will arrange you. Okay, I will arrange you according to your face, okay? If you are handsome, go here. If you think that you are not handsome, please go here. Because I want you to arrange yourself because, please be honest, okay? If you're handsome there, if you are not handsome, here. Okay, I will count 1 to 3 and arrange yourself. 1, 2, 3. You are not listening. I said, if you're not handsome, go there. Go there. Shuhada. Okay, I will arrange you. Okay? I think you are very handsome. Okay? Come here. All right. Our game is very easy. Ikaw galingan mo, ha? Ang gagwapo ng mga kalaban mo, ha? Kaya sinalma kita dito para may panabla. Okay. So all you have to say is, okay, listen to me. All you have to say is, ta-na-na-na-na-na-nan. Okay? Do it, baby. Again. Ta-na-na-na-na-na-nan. Say it.
Ta-na-na-na-na-na-nan.
Very good. All right. A round of applause. Again, one more time. Say it. Ta-na-na-na-na-na-nan.
Ta-na-na-na-na-nan.
Oh, you're so nice. Okay? Ikaw naman, Kuya, sabihin mo naman, tan-tan.
Tan-tan.
Galing! Again. Tan, tan.
Tan, tan.
Okay. You, sir, say it. Tan, 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 tan.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, very nice. Again. Tan, 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 tan.
Dun, 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 dun.
Very good. Okay. Ikaw naman. Sabihin mo naman. Ow!
Oh!
Wow. Parang bagay sa'yo tumatahol, ha? Again. Ow!
Oh!
Okay. Practice again, sir. Say, do it.
Tanananananan.
All right?
Tan, tan.
Very good.
Dun, 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 dun.
No. Tan, 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 tan.
Dun, 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 dun.
Very good. Ikaw naman?
Oh!
Very good. Okay, again, practice.
Tanananananan.
You?
Tan, tan.
Dun, 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 dun.
Very good. You?
Oh!
Okay, now let's start. I will sing and if I will put the microphone, do your part. Okay? Ready? Try it. I feel good.
Tanananananan.
You know that I will.
Tanananananan.
One more time. Don't forget your part. Okay. I feel good.
Tanananananan.
You know that I will.
Tanananananan.
So good.
Tan, tan.
So good.
Tan, tan.
I got you.
Dun, 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 dun.
No. Say it. Dun, 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 dun. Again.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay. Parang mamamatay na to. Okay. Again, one more time. I feel good.
Tanananananan.
You are very good, no? You are a singer.
No.
You are very good. You know that I will.
Tan, tanan.
So good.
Tan, tan.
So good.
Tan, tan.
I got you.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh!
Yeah. Okay. That's only practice. Now, let's make it serious. Okay? Let's make it serious. The best for this game will receive a prize coming from MPQ Travel and Tourism. Okay, ready? I feel good.
Tan, tananananan.
You know that I will.
Tan, tanananan.
No. Ten. Ito, kanina binati na kita. Tatanga-tanga ka na ngayon, ha? Okay. I feel good.
Tanananananan.
You know that I will.
Tanananananan.
So good.
Tan, tan.
So good.
Tan, tan.
I got you.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh!
Okay. Now let's change. Make it sexy. Okay? I will make it sexy. Okay? So do it sexy also. Okay, practice. I feel good.
Tananananan.
Very good. Like that. You know that I will.
Tana.
So good.
Tan,
So good.
tan, tan.
I got you. Again. One more time. I feel good.
Tananan. Ah, nanan.
You know that I will.
Tanan. Ah, nanan.
So good.
Tan, tan.
So good.
Tan, tan.
I got you.
Dun, 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 dun.
Wala pa tayo para mga kansyan. Now, let's vote. Who is the best? The winner will receive a prize coming from MPQ Travel and Tourism. Pero bago ang lahat, Mother Larry, bunot muna tayo ng isa. Okay, bunot tayo ng isa. Hindi ikaw. Ang likot-likot ng kamay mo. Mother Larry, bunot tayo ng isa na mananalo ng prize. Tawagin natin, where are you? Joy Galendiz. Joy Galendiz, where are you? Alright, palapakan naman natin for our winner para sa ating raffle. Congratulations, Joy. Diyan ka na lang. Ayan, thank you so much. Alright, thank you. Now, let's ask the audience. Who is the best? All I have to do is clap your hands. Alright? Who is in favor? Number 1. You got 27 points. How about number 2? You got 18 points. How about number 3? You got 92. How about number 4? Oh, you got 89. The winner is number 3. But don't you worry, all of you are the winners. So all of you have a prize. Congratulations. Give them a round of applause, guys. Mama Larry, bigay mo na sa kanila yan. Once again, thank you so much po. At i-follow niyo po ang MPQ Travel and Tourism Dubai and MPQ Travel Tours Philippines. Ang MPQ Travel and Tourism. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, Mother Larry. Ano gusto niyo po sabihin sa kanila? Oo, at syempre, abangan niyo po. Ito, mabunot po kami dahil makakatanggap po ng free round trip ticket ang mabubunot po namin dito sa live po namin sa MPQ Travel and Tourism. Picture muna po tayo. Mother Larry, picture muna po tayo. Alright, picture. Thank you. A round of applause for our contestants. Thank you very much. I hope we'll see you there in World Trade Center.